Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and finding your GPX file. This saves time later. Once located, move the file to a known folder or cloud so apps can access it. Next, open your chosen mapping app and use its import tool to load the GPX. This creates a visible route or waypoint set. Make sure the app shows projected distance and elevation so you can verify the track. If the file fails to load, check the file name and extension first. Once the GPX is loaded, you'll inspect and refine the route so it matches your plan. Use edit tools to rename waypoints, remove stray points, and simplify the track to reduce navigation clutter. This improves battery use and accuracy. Then set routing mode and adjust preferences like avoid highways or prefer trails, because routing rules change the path. Make sure elevation profile and total distance update. These confirm the route integrity. You finish by exporting the final GPX and moving it to your device. This closes the loop between planning and navigation. Once exported, use USB, Cloud Sync, or the app's device sync to transfer the file, then open the map app on the device to confirm the route loads and navigation is enabled. If something goes wrong, first verify the file extension and size, then ensure the app supports that GPX version and that GPS is enabled. Often a corrupt export or wrong extension is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.